Hey everyone, welcome back again to our exciting series of cyber blogs presented by VIH Group. So in cyber blogs, basically we just tap up a topic and start discussing on the same. So let's start with threat, which will be our today's topic. Threat, a summary on types of threats. So at first, let's understand what is cyber threat. So for a cybersecurity expert, the Oxford Dictionary defines of cyber threat. So basically, if you wanted to just find out the meaning of threat in Oxford Dictionary, you will get little bit lacking. So the possibility of the things that are being mentioned in Oxford Dictionary is the possibility of a malicious attempt to damage or disrupt a computer network or system. Basically, this defines is incomplete without including the attempts to access file and infiltrate or steal data. So in this definition, the threat is defined as a possibility. However, in the cybersecurity community, the threat is more closely identified with the actor or adversary attempting to gain access to a system. Our threat might be attempting to gain access of your system and identified by damage being done. So what is being stolen or the tactics, techniques and procedure, which is so called TTP, being used. So this is the thing that I suggest to do changes on the Oxford Dictionary. If they are going to just compare these things with the cyber world, then it will be may vary or maybe a little bit different. So basically, if you wanted to search like on Google or if you want to search on any of the website, even on our website, there's a thing mentioned for the threat in one line is something like it's a severe risk that will harm your computer and your data will be in danger in which hackers exploit the system. So basically this is the one line definition to explain anyone that what is threat. So now let's come to types of threat. So now we are going to discuss the basics type of threat. We are not gonna to cover it in a deep because most of the audience are messaging sir, just capture basics and intermediate part only. So that's why if you request us for advanced video, we can do it as well. So basically in IT security threat are divided into three types as you see on your screen. So first one is network threat, second one is host threat and third one is application threat. So let's talk about network threat at first. So basically anything which is vulnerable in a network is said to be network threat. So here a question arises is like how will they become vulnerable? So basically networking devices are vulnerable due to weak encryption and password as you all know, and maybe it may be like unchanged default setting and unpatched security loops. So basically it's all on the user who use this kind of networking devices and so on. So basically users are not updating, not implementing a proper encryption and not changing the default setting. Okay, so basically there's the chances of getting more threats and like. So now I'm gonna to just shout out some of the network threat which are sniffing and eavesdropping, spoofing, session hijacking, MITM, which is so called man in the middle attack, and another thing is DNS and ARP spoofing, and there's a lot of things, but I just covered these five topic, five thing, okay, five maybe five examples, okay, types. Anything else you wishes to conclude from your side? So now let's get to the second thing, which is host threat. So basically as the name refers, host threat are attacks which are performed on system software servers which are vulnerable. So again some of the host threat are something like malware attack, denial of service attack, password attacks, backdoor attacks, privilege escalation and much more. So this is the thing host threat means. And now the last basic types of threat is application threat. So basically application threat means any web application or mobile application which has incorrect data handling, which causes error in input and output, said to be an application threat. So basically this is the definition of application threat. Now let's get the types of application threat, which are like SQL injection threat, or maybe SQL injection attacks, buffer overflow attacks, security misconfiguration, authentication and authorization attack, improper data validation, and improper error handling. And there are a lot of applications attack, which are phishing, buffer overflow, CSS, which is so-called cross-site scripting, session hijacking, DOS attack, cross-site request forgery, SQL injection attack, and much more. So basically this is the basic thing that we covered in today's session. So this session is basically requested by some of the audience, that's why I created this thing. So our team will try to just do up just create a session on the daily basis in the cyber vlog series. So I hope you like this video, and we are also planning for a brand new session which will be on like cyber crime stories. Okay, so it will be in Hindi. Okay, we are going to explain you the story in Hindi, where you're going to understand like the cyber threat, cyber crime which are being done in the current scenario and the previous experience as well. So we are going to explain that thing in a proper series, which will be so called cyber crimes investigation maybe. So it will be from hacking to catching the attacker. So it will be fully in Hindi. So just drop your comment like if you are interested for this series and you wishes to start it as soon as possible. So thank you very much. You can contact us on any platform by using @VIH group. You can ask your queries on support@vihgroup.com. As well, you can drop queries in the comment box. And yeah, our website is, as you all know, www.vihgroup.com. And just flood the comment box, ask your query, so we get more motivated if you ask some sort of queries, and hit that like button. Thank you. Have a great day. Happy hacking.